President Biden signs a new executive order, but for what? Hey, what is up, YouTube? I hope that you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to win some free extra cash like $250, then hit that subscribe button. If you want to win a $50 Visa gift card, then smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card. So guys, President Biden is doing a whole lot of things like going on vacation, and he's also working with other countries trying to figure out where we're going to get our oil from, considering the fact that we've stopped any possible way for us to do it in the United States. But from many of you guys here on this channel, you said we should be independent and drill for our own oil. If you agree with that, then smash that like button. So I get it. He's got to make some moves. I just wish they would be within our own country to make us a better country, more independent. And guess what? If we were actually able to drill our own oil, that would provide more jobs for Americans, and that would lower the price of oil. Why? Because we wouldn't have to pay so much to get it somewhere else from another country and then have to filter it just to be able to use it in our cars. So there's so many things that are going on, but President Biden did sign an executive order. But for what? Was it for more stimulus checks? Was it to pass more money for Social Security? Was it to send everybody out a one-time relief payment? No, it was for some solar power energy. And you're thinking, what is this guy doing? We've got the craziest gas prices that we've ever seen. And yes, it did almost get to like $10. Many of you guys said, look, I'm riding a motorcycle. I quit driving. I'm using public transportation, which that wasn't a bad idea. But then again, you know, a motorcycle to me, if I could find me a cheap motorcycle that gets at least 40 to 50 miles a gallon, then I could actually go and save a lot of money. So I'm just saying it's a consideration and a thought. But guys, let us know down in the comments what you plan to do if gas hits $7 per gallon. So what about this solar power energy? I get it. We want cleaner air. We want smart energy vehicles and houses where we don't have to depend so much on having it outside. We can actually get it directly from the sun and use it to power daily things that we use. That's why electric cars are booming right now. It takes months to get one if you order one brand new, just because the supply and demand. Everybody knows, forget gas, I'm going to buy electric. You can actually go to Tesla and buy a power voltage converter and get it installed in your house. So that way when you go home, you just plug it right into your car. And they say it's not as expensive as everyone thinks it is. It's actually cheaper than you going to the gas station, especially right now. It's cheaper for you to fill up your car with your electric than it would be for gas. But here's the thing. How many people have money to buy a Tesla? Those cars are not cheap. So guys, Joe Biden has done a few things here and there. In fact, he's doing his best to push the $10,000 student loan debt cancellation. But how do you feel about that? To me, like many people have stated and argued and debated, it would be better for him to send relief checks out to everybody, because it's not fair to those who have paid their dues instead of those that just have student loans. So guys, so much to talk about, so many things going on. Actually, many people are looking for another stimulus relief payment, but when is it coming? There hasn't been anything set in stone, but you and I know that there are states that are actually doing their best to send out stimulus checks. So guys, we will stay up to date on all those states and let you know as soon as any information is updated. We know that Maine is already sending out $850 payments. We know that Pennsylvania is trying to do a $2,000 payment. Texas hasn't done anything. Florida hasn't done anything. Mississippi hasn't done anything. Arkansas hasn't done anything. Alabama hasn't done anything, guys. So we are staying up to date, trying to make sure that we bring you the most up-to-date information. All right, guys, I hope that that information helped. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And until next time, I'm John Miro.